Hello there everybody. Look at this amazing camera I just got. Osmo Pocket by DJI. This camera does so many things. I'm going to unbox it for you right here and I'm going to charge it up. Let me tell you a few things that it does. First of all, it has a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. You see that head up there? Follows you or tilts. If you turn this like this, it'll stay level. Also, it has a tracking mode where it'll follow an object or a person wherever you lock it on. You can use your phone. You can attach it to your phone. We're going to see that. It comes with a jack to attach to your phone. You can also buy a lot of accessories for it, similar to the GoPro, but I wanted to get the camera first, then I'll get the accessories later, because first I want to learn the camera. It's so small and lightweight. It has active track. That's where it follows. When you're in like a selfie mode, it will be like face track and keep you in the center of the shot. It takes panoramic shots, motion lapse, time lapse, night shot, and it's real steady. And sometimes you get shaky when you're trying to record a fancy picture at nighttime or daytime or anything. Let's open it up. I can't wait. I'm talking too much. Okay. Osmo Pocket. Didn't come with a card. I had to buy a card, which I got. It takes up to 256 gigabytes. I started with 64. That's plenty. It records in 4K, which is going to be good for my videos. I'll be using this on both of my channels, this channel and my other channel. What we got? How's it wrapped? It's got some weight to it. Look at it. That's so nice. Osmo Pocket. What do you see? Oh, carrying case. Okay. Very nice. I wonder if there's any charge on the battery yet. Look at this. See how the head swivels around? What does that say? Remove before powering on. Let me remove that. Got a little lens cover there. I'll take that off too. Remove that. Ooh, let's press power on and see what happens. What's this? Okay, more instructions. Well, let's see this. Watch. See what the head did? Look at it. Did you see that? Move all around? All right, I gotta set this up. Let me remove this since it's so sensitive. And it has a little. There it is. That's what's covering. There's a little 1-inch monitor here. Plus, you could also use your phone as a monitor, like I said. Dead over there. You can do it. Okay, so this is a setup. Now we gotta download the app. Let's see. There's the attachment. Let's see what other accessories we have. This is where you would attach your smartphone. Look how the camera stays up. All right, we got to start up that app. Hang on. Whoa, instructions. Look at this. Oh, that's why I just wanted the camera today. And I'll get the accessories as I learn. Okay? Not much of a reader, but you know how that goes. Sometimes we have to. What's in this box? Charging cable, handle, adapter for an iPhone or an Android. I have an Android. Type C, see, and that slides in that part that popped off the front. See, that connects here. Then you would just hook your camera to that. I'm not doing it right now. You hook your phone here like this, and you use this as a big monitor. It's going to be great. Okay. I'm going to charge this up fully. I'm going to read the instructions. I'm going to download the app. I just had to show you first the unboxing, and I'll show you using it more. Watch when I turn it off. I'm going to turn it off. Watch the head. See what the head did? See it? See the lens? I'm going to turn it on. Watch what it does. That's so amazing, isn't it? Okay. We're going to see a lot more of this. All right, we got to pick our languages here. It will take an external mic as well with an adapter that I'm going to send for. Pretty much like the GoPro. And once you get your regular basic tripod mount, I believe a lot of GoPro attachments fit. We're going to find out. If not, they have a lot of their own attachments. You could buy a whole set of gadgets and attachments cheaply. Okay, this is amazing. Oh, look at see the monitor? I think I'm in Dutch or something now. Okay, I got to get this straightened out. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. We're going to see a lot more of this Osmo Pocket 4K camera coming up soon on both my channels. I'll put a link to my other channel there. Have a nice day. I'll let you know what I learned about it, okay? Stay tuned for some amazing video. Here's a little sample footage. I charged it up while I was editing the video. I figured I'll show you a little bit. It's almost dusky out here. It's not very bright right now. I'm walking. And we got fireworks going. Alright, there's my park bench. Let's push this button 3 times and it goes to selfie mode. Watch. Don't look at my hair. Oh, there I am, see? It's selfie mode. I'm learning about it. Isn't that cool? Alright. I'll show you more as I learn more. Look at this guy. Somebody got fireworks over there, you hear 'em? They think it's the 4th of July or something. Not bad. Okay, thanks again. See you soon.